So we're doing a mail time again. So we have a padded envelope and a box. Let's find out what's inside. So this lot, well, I bought it because it was sold for parts. Now this, I'm gonna use the couplings, and this is what I used to do when I started long time ago, about 10 years ago on eBay. When I started selling, I used broken parts or cards for spare parts. So anyways, it comes with these torquing jams. It will be fixed. The most important thing for me are the shells, the body, everything. The interior parts, we can replace it for, we can rewire, you know. Most of these can be fixed anyways. So we have these jams, and it comes with these Dennis. Now that I have more Dennis, look, it looks clean. So I cannot test these models. I'm just unboxing, but I will do maybe live stream later, so you can see if these are working. Oh, look at these wheels. Oh man, yeah, we can replace their driving wheels, their rods. Anyways, needs new stickers. And we have green salty. Oh, looks really clean inside. That's good. We can restore. You know what, I'm going to maybe in a couple of weeks, I'm going to buy from subscribers models that no longer use. I might post videos that I will be buying your models, but not now. Maybe in a month or 3 weeks maybe. I'm very busy. So this Gordon, all these lots looks from Mattel. So yeah, it needs a coupling, and it might be good working condition, just a little cleaning. That's nice. So we have another diesel, talking diesel. It needs a little touch up in the nose, cheeks, and a little wash, and I think it's gonna be good to go. But anyways, we gotta check the insides if it's working or not. And this one is Bert. Bert is looking good. Let me see. Yeah, it looks clean inside. Looks clean, not bad. And we have, is this Ben or Bill? Bill or Ben? Ben or Bill? Bill or Ben? Let me know. I think both are the same, or maybe not. This is Tommy 1999. Tommy made in Thailand. Ben is just cheaper the buffer bin. And the next is Renias. Renias, good for smudger. Yes, I have 3 Renias now. I will make some smudgers, custom smudgers. I started a long time ago. Is this clean? Yeah, it's really clean inside. Yeah, so I'm gonna make some smudgers soon. And then it comes with this Douglas. This one is from Mattel. Oh man, it needs a lot. You know what, this might be good for parts. I think I have some tenders laying around. Yes, it's really a lot of wear on this model. But is it clean? Yeah, it's clean. Even if I can't use this one, I can use the motor for parts. Anyways, there is Victor from Mattel also. Oh, very clean. You know what, you just need maybe 3 volts, 5 volts. I show you already how to wake up these sleeping engines. But this one actually is good for a customized model like this. It's better because if I put this for sale on any page, this doesn't sell for long. I mean, even if I restore it, put it to like new, they sell for maybe 10 or 12 bucks plus shipping. But it's better to just paint over and make it yellow, and its price goes up and it sells really fast. Now Stanley, oh look at that Stanley. It needs a lot of work. Is it clean inside? Yeah, it looks clean. I don't know if the seller said is for parts, but they don't know how to fix it anyways. It could be good for a custom model. 2009 Mattel. And the next one is your handle. Corrosion, easy fix. Look at the stickers. Stickers are almost gone, but it looks clean, not bad. Rosy, look at that, rosy. No stickers are, it's the tab, the coupling or hooker, whatever you call this thing. The tab is broken. You can't, I mean, it's no way to hold. I think I have some shells laying around, but anyways, it's good. Actually, you know what, you can repaint this roof. Look at this one, Duncan. It was like this, rosy, really a lot of damage. Now you just repainted. It shows, it still shows the marks from use. I did not sand it, but it sticks. The paint is bonded to the plastic. It's really nice. Better than this rosy. Yeah, it was the same. But anyways, so now let's see the other ones. So this lot is for parts. And we have take and play or take along Thomas, metal, magnetic. Another take and play or take along metallic. How can you tell the difference? I have no idea which ones are take and play or take along. I think it's because of the magnetic or magnets. Maybe that's the difference. I have no idea. I always listed as take and play or take along on my listings on eBay long time ago, years ago. Spencer Stender, and we have this Toby. Just paint is been chipped on these corners, the posts, but it's looking clean. The face is okay. Live lobster tanker, nice. Magnetic one too. And we have Percy, another one from metal die cast, and this one is Thomas wooden railway. Really old. Look at the face. Yeah, the other newer versions have a bigger face, bigger head. I mean, it's really different. This one is really tiny. Okay, Mr. Bubbles car with chocolate or something. Is this chocolate? Yes, chocolate. I remember this Mr. Bubbles car. Oh, look, another one. Take and play or take along Flora, metal. Looking good. And search and rescue. I've seen some of these without this logo because they are different, but this one is from Mattel Toy Company. I think they do not come with this logo, and if I'm not mistaken, it's this one is darker, dark gray. Anyways, solar fireworks band, and we have a Thomas from Mattel. Look, another Thomas. This one's for modification, good custom models. Yep, yeah, they look like the same we got yesterday, but they are not. And we have another one for the Halloween engine. This model definitely good for the Halloween engine. I'm gonna start making some of those Halloween engines. And Dash sellers say that they are working, but not the other lot. So this lot. And we have the last one is Ferdinand. It's not good. It's just skipping. It's skipping gear. I mean, it's just sleeping. Look, click, 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 but still working. And that's all.